Today we're staying hydrated on the go with the help of our new 3-liter hydration backpack from BRAVER. It's comfy to wear, has a lot of pockets and organization to hold your items, and works well. And this backpack comes shipped to your door, ready to hydrate you as well. Inside the box, you can find your backpack. On the front of the backpack, you have a MOLLE strap system with a Velcro patch. There's 2 front zipper pockets to hold your items, but inside of the second one, there's a stretchy mesh pocket as well as a mesh zipper pocket for even more organization. On top, you have a small zipper pocket. And then if you unzip the last one, you'll find 2 deep pockets as well as your 3-liter bladder. Take out the bladder and unscrew the cap. Remove the styrofoam insert, and then you can fill it up. Screw the cap back on. Make sure your hose is fully tightened and test for any leaks. Then you can slide the bladder into the big pocket and secure it down with the Velcro straps. Next, run the hose up and over the shoulder and snap it into the bracket on the shoulder strap. This will hold it in place. Then you can load up your backpack. So I grabbed some essentials and filled up my backpack. I zipped up all the pockets and then threw it on. I adjusted the straps and tightened it down. And the straps feel nice on the shoulders. They have useful D-rings and even a whistle. The hose wraps around the shoulder nicely and gives me easy access to water. To drink, you simply remove the cap, pull up on the lock, and then bite and squeeze on the top. Then you can drink. It worked perfectly, so it was time to take it out to test. I took the Huskies out for a hike, and the backpack felt great to wear. You hardly even notice it. I kept trying to get the perfect shot of me drinking water while walking, and drank so much water during our hike. Yet I still have a lot of water to spare. It can definitely hold a lot of water. Normally when I'm out on a hike, I have to take a break, sit down, and take out the water bottle. But now, I can rehydrate hands-free. Not to mention, the material is tear-resistant and waterproof, so it'll hold up in all terrain. I can't wait to take this with me on some longer hikes, or when I go camping. Add some ice cubes, and it would help keep you cool on those hot days as well. Overall, I'm really happy. This is my first hydration backpack, and I can't wait to use it some more. So if you're looking to stay hydrated on the go as well, this backpack from BRAVER might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go on another hike. See ya.